CJLandHD. If you saw our last video, we did fantastic gymnastics. It was a review. You know that, right? I think you know that. And today, it's finally time for our Pokemon card opening, which is pretty big. Like this big. So let's get to it. This is the Break Evolution box for our Arcanine, yeah. And it has our Arcanine Break, a Jumbo Arcanine Break, a Mandibuzz Break. Is that how you pronounce that? If you know how to say this word, comment down below. Not like right there, but yeah, you know what I mean. And Crobat Break. And on the back, there's not really that much to see. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boost packs. It says on the back, I'll read the back. Today, and we got this at Target. Usually stuff like this would cost like $30 or $35, but we only got this for $25. So yeah, let's open it up. So we opened the package. The cards are down there, but I think that they're a little too shiny for the camera. So we have 2 evolutions. So we have a Fates Collide, a Steam Siege, and a Break Point. So, I hope I don't break. So, I'm going to save the Break Point for last. I'm going to just see, 1 sec. I'm just going to go in this area. So, first, we have Mega. I think this is a Mega. I can't really tell that good of Mega Venusaur and Venusaur, so I think this is Mega Venusaur on this first pack. So let's open it up. Why am I? Usually I don't do this. This is hard. We had to get some scissors, so sorry about that short thing. I can't get these out. This is a hard pack. Can't get these out. Okay. Let's see, I'm going to put these down here. And 10 edition. So, let's see about this. Sorry. First, we got a Koffing. Oh, this is in the old style now. It's in the old style. We have Professor's Oak. Hint, it's a trainer. We have a Metapod. So, yeah. We have a Staryu. Ooh, Pikachu. So we have a Pikachu, a Duodo, I think that's how you just pronounce it. If I'm pronouncing some of these wrong, tell me in the comments below and sound out what's supposed to sound like. We have a Ponyta here, a Nidoran, I think, Nidoran boy version, and we have a Pidgeot Spirit Link trainer. Blastoise EX. Oh my gosh. Blastoise EX. Oh my gosh. Blastoise EX. So that was our first one. So our second, that was just the Wait, there's one more. Oh, it's just this card. I don't care about that card. Let's just put it right there. So, our second evolution. I hope this is easier. And sure enough, it's not. So, we had to get scissors again, of course, because this is hard. And so, we have... Can't even get this thing out like the last one. Oh. So, we have our thing. Let's put them over there so you can't see. So, we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, we have a Kakuna. Okay, just put it right here. Get this thing out. We have a trainer, Charizard Spirit Link with the Mega Charizard, the black version, and the regular Charizard. We have energy, special energy. So yeah, actually a double color energy. Oh. Poliwag, got a Poly. We have a Voltor. We have a Wheel. We have a Rattata, I think. We have a Tangela. We have a Nidoran. What? Raticate! Really? This is so bad. Can't believe I got this. This is so bad. So this is Fates Collide. So let's try this. I think this is the one. I'm having trouble. Got it. So we have the thing again. I want you to see it. So we have, So we have a Pupitar, I think that's how you say it. We have a Diguan. At least this is the regular star now. Okay, let's see. We had Loudon. Look at I think Loudred. I think that. What the? What's going on in the back? Oh, Mr. Mime. In the Pokemon Go world, you will only see this weird guy. In London, I think? Yeah, I think it's London. We have another Geodude thing guy. We have a Minotaur, I think. Windspur, kind of bad. Actually, it is bad. I don't care. Oh, Gamichia? I don't know. Let's see. We have a Rulu. I think that's, I don't care. And we have, again, a rubbish pack. Really? Really? That was my last card. So, here's on to our second to last, or first, if you want to say it like that. Of course, I'm not going to show you this one this time. So, let's do 1, 2, 3. Boom. So, card number 1 is a special special charge. So we have a special charge. I think that's how you pronounce it. We have a stage 2, Haros, I think. I remember this guy from, I think, the second. I think he's in the second generation. We have a Marley. I think that's how you spell it. see. I hope I don't. I have tons of these meows. Wait. I actually didn't notice that that's actually fire in the background. So I just noticed that. We have a Larvesta, I think. It's basic. I don't care. We have a fetchling. It's only 40 HP. I don't care about. Oh, Oshawott. Remember him from the 2013 version. I forgot what it was called because that was so long ago. Sneasel, I think. Sneasel. My neon roll. We have Rapidash. Yeah, Rapidash. Okay, and last one. Don't tell me what it is. Persian. That's so bad. Persian. It's a Persian. I have tons of these. And a flea baby right there. This is our last pack. Of course, I saved the break point for the last. Oh, I put it over there already. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Put it in front. Yep. Okay. We have. Stage 1, Fraudular. I'm not that good at pronouncing names, so help me in the comments. Like I said. Legion, I think. Let's see. Ooh, we have a Frou, I think it's called. Frou. Ever heard of it? Oh, Shelter. I hate shelters. I mean, I would get Corster. I mean, that would be okay, but yeah. Gibble. Nibble. Okay, let's see. Bantump. Actually, this is Ban Trump. Donald Trump. Okay, I'm just kidding. Bantump. Glam. Are you kidding me? I'm not going to put that in. Another Honedge. I think that's how you spell it. And Gyarados Spirit Ring. Michael Gyarados, yucks. And don't tell me. You can't tell me. Are you kidding me? That was horrible. So, today was a really fun day. And now, for the big reveal of my favorite card. Da-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na. You probably knew this already. Okay, that's weird. So, yeah, of course it's this. You know, it's the only X that I got in here. But, so, yeah. Still my favorite. Okay, that's weird. So we're going to have mind-blowing fun content. So subscribe if you want to see it. We love you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.